Having fun yet? We got the sled stuck. Wow.
Well, that was funny. I got a question for you though.
What?
Where are your snow pants?
They're inside.
Been out here for 30 minutes.
Wait.
Okay.
LeBron.
Yo guys, I'm in a full snowsuit. Jackson is underwear. And this is called a normal day up in Muskoka. Ain't that right, Jack?
Of course.
We're out here, guys. Burbot and lake trout. We'll see you soon.
Let's get it.
No fish is safe, baby.
Having fun yet?
Oh my god. You're crazy.
Boom.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
These dogs are in there.
We got the sled stuck. As you can see, it's quite deep.
One sled, two sled,
One
Jack.
dumbass.
Where the sled was stuck. The other spots where the sleds were stuck. Now the sled's stuck over there. Sled's out. Jack's there. Still 2 toboggans to go. Oh, Jack's dead.